online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. So this first step that I want to take you through in this whole online course creation process is the expert positioning. Now, what I mean by this is that we are all good at something. Everybody is an expert at something. You just go and think about what you're good at. What do people turn to you for help about? So it might be model airplane making. It might be basket weaving. It might be cooking. It might be your expertise in wine. Or it might be some business related thing like digital marketing or creating online courses even. And people come to me about creating online courses all the time. So you have to work out where your expertise. And the key to this is to not think, how can I make money? The key to this is, how can you serve your audience? You need to find the people who need you and then work out how you can help them. The money follows, but it's not at the front of the queue. You have to focus on adding value for your customers. This means that you have to go and identify their problems and their difficulties, and then create solutions for those, which you can then help them to come along, discover, find, understand, and want to buy from you. Now, ideally, you want to try and create courses that require as little updating as possible. It's very difficult. If you're creating a course about a piece of software changes all the time, and you're going to be continually having to update that. That's just part and parcel. But for instance, my mergers and acquisitions courses, a lot of that is actually pretty well standard, and a lot of it doesn't change very much. And so in a sense, it is evergreen. People can come and watch the same content in 5 years' time and still learn very valuable information. Now, whatever you do, don't bluff, don't plagiarize, don't steal other people's information, because once you lose trust, you can't get it back. And really just focus on the areas that you're excited about, that you enjoy doing, that you have a deep knowledge about, because that will come across and people will love it and want to learn from you.